How to make an airplane from a plastic bottle. Owlo, Owlo, I brought something really cool with me today.
Good morning, Koko. What are you hiding behind your back there?
An empty plastic bottle. Mom had thrown it away, but I thought I could make something fun out of it.
What a great idea, giving things a second chance. What do you want to make with it?
I want to make an airplane out of it, but I don't know how.
An airplane made from a plastic bottle. That sounds like a fantastic project. I think the craft room is exactly the right place to try that.
Yes, can we go to the craft room right now?
Let's go. Just bring your bottle along. Here we are. Look, we've got cardboard, tape, scissors and paint all ready. Everything we need is right here.
Wow, this really looks like a proper workshop, but where do we start?
We start by thinking it through. An airplane has a few important parts. Can you name some of them?
Wings, and a nose, and at the back it has that thing too, a tail.
Very good, Koko. An airplane has a fuselage. That's the long middle part. Then it has wings, a tail fin, and a nose.
The bottle already looks a bit like the fuselage, right? It's long and round.
Exactly. The bottle will be our fuselage. Now let's cut 2 wide triangles out of the cardboard for the wings. We'll stick those onto the sides of the bottle.
What about the tail? That needs to go on too.
Cut a smaller triangle for the tail fin. Stick it straight up at the back end of the bottle.
Owlo, can I draw a little window on the bottle too, so the passengers can look outside?
Of course you can. A bit of paint will really finish our airplane off nicely.
I'll paint it blue with little white clouds. Then it will look just like it's already flying up in the sky.
What a wonderful idea. While you paint, let me tell you something about real airplanes. Did you know that the shape of the wings is very important?
What do you mean, the shape? Isn't a wing just flat?
It looks that way, but a real wing is slightly curved on top. When air flows over it, a force is created that pulls the airplane upward. That force is called lift.
Lift. That's a nice word. So the air actually lifts the airplane up?
Exactly right. And the engines make sure the airplane goes fast enough to create that lift. Without speed, there's no lift, and without lift, there's no flying.
So the airplane actually needs the air to be able to fly. That's actually a pretty clever trick.
People studied birds for a very long time to figure that out. Birds use exactly the same trick with their wings.
Just like you, Owlo, you have wings with a curved side too.
That's true. And look, your airplane is almost finished now. What does it look like?
Beautiful, blue, with white clouds, a tail fin, and everything. I'm really proud of it.
You should be proud. Today you turned something that was thrown away into something beautiful and clever.
Owlo, can we take it outside and let it fly, just to see what happens?
That sounds like a great plan. But first, can you tell me everything you've learned today?
Okay, I learned that an airplane has a fuselage, wings, a tail fin, and a nose, and that the wings have a special curved shape that makes the air lift the airplane up. That's called lift. And the best part, you can make an airplane out of an empty plastic bottle that would otherwise end up in the trash. Next time, I want to learn how really big airplanes can be so heavy but still get up into the sky. I don't quite understand that yet.
That's a really smart question for next time, Koko. Now, grab your airplane, let's head outside. If you had fun today, ask a grown-up to get the free AskOwlo app for more stories. And don't forget to subscribe so we can make even more.